friends, as you're all aware that we had the cabinet meeting today, and there were three formal items that were discussed in the cabinet today, and decisions were made on three important issues. I'm very happy and very pleased to inform our citizens of the state that today the cabinet has made I should say historic and a very important decision which will impact the overall functioning as well as opportunities that will open up especially for the youth of our state, and also help in promoting our languages. Today the cabinet has decided that the Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026 was passed, and the Meghalaya State Language Act 2005 was repealed. Under the new Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026, the main point is that from now on, apart from English, Khasi and Garo language will also become official language of the state. With this very important and landmark decision, this will facilitate the process of allowing Khasi and Garo language to be used in most of the government communications, and also in the due course of time. And when I say due course, I mean very, very shortly. Necessary amendments will be made to relevant acts, namely the Meghalaya State Legislature Continuance of English Language Act 1980. Once amended, will also enable our legislatures to speak in Khasi and Garo and debate in Khasi and Garo language apart from English, even during the assembly sessions. This decision will also pave the way for different important examinations also to be held apart from English in our own local languages, which is Garo and Khasi. This will of course not happen, everything will not happen immediately. The process will take some time. Certain decisions will be much more easier to implement immediately. Certain decisions will require logistical setups to be created, manpower to be employed, and different infrastructures to be created, rules to be created. But as I said, the decision today will allow all of these things to fall into place. Primarily because the resolution to include the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule was taken by the Assembly. And our government felt very strongly that while we are demanding for 8th schedule, it is important that in our state itself, we must also take necessary steps to make both Khasi and Garo official, so that a stronger message can be sent to Government of India and the Parliament, and further pave the way for us to be able to expect that both Khasi and Garo language will be also included in the 8th schedule. So this is also one important step towards achieving that particular goal.